Are you someone who dreams of being successful but feels stuck, not knowing where to begin? You're not alone. Many of us have big ambitions but get lost in the how of achieving them. The good news? Every success story starts with that first step we are going to unfold in this video. Let's figure out where to begin together because your journey to success starts right now. Picture this. You're standing on the stage of your life looking out at everything you've ever wanted. Success, achievement, fulfillment, it's all there, waiting for you. But how do you reach it? How do you go from where you are now to where you want to be? The answer lies in one of the most powerful tools you possess: visualization. Visualization isn't just a daydream or idle fantasy, it's the art of seeing in your mind what you want to achieve, experiencing your future success in vivid detail before it happens. Athletes, entrepreneurs, world leaders, they all use visualization as a strategy to pave the way toward their goals, but it's not magic. It's a practical, actionable tool that sets the stage for real-life success. Why is visualization so powerful? It connects the mind and body in a way that prepares you for success on a subconscious level. When you visualize yourself achieving your goals, your brain starts to believe it's possible, and it begins to work toward making that vision a reality. You prime yourself to succeed long before you take action. Let's break down how you can use visualization to become the most successful version of yourself. Clarify your vision. To harness the power of visualization, you must first get clear on what success looks like to you. What do you want to achieve? What are your goals, dreams, and desires? Be specific. Do you want to start a business, get in the best shape of your life, build meaningful relationships, achieve financial freedom? Don't just think about the vague idea of success, define it clearly. Imagine the sights, sounds, and emotions that will come with it. What does your life look like when you achieve your goals? Close your eyes and immerse yourself in that future. Visualize it in detail. Feel the emotions you'll feel once you reach that pinnacle, whether it's pride, happiness, or fulfillment. Make that image in your mind so clear that it feels real. When you do this, you're not just hoping for success, you're mentally and emotionally living it. Strengthen your belief. Once you've got that clear image, the next step is believing in it. This is where most people falter. They dream big but doubt themselves. Self-doubt and fear creep in, convincing them that their goals are out of reach. Visualization helps you shatter that doubt. When you consistently visualize your success, you begin to reprogram your subconscious mind. You create new neural pathways that align with your goals, gradually replacing doubt with confidence. Remember, the mind can't always distinguish between a real experience and an imagined one. That's why visualization is so powerful. By consistently seeing yourself succeed, you train your mind to expect it. You start to believe deep down that your vision is not only possible but inevitable. Take action with confidence. Visualization is not a substitute for hard work, but it sets the foundation for it. The next step is turning those mental images into reality. Once you have a clear vision of your goal and the belief that you can achieve it, it's time to act. This is where visualization really pays off. When you visualize success, you approach challenges with confidence. You've already seen yourself overcoming obstacles, so when they arise in real life, they don't seem as daunting. You're ready for them. Create a daily visualization practice. To harness the full power of visualization, you need to make it a habit. Just like anything worth doing, it requires consistency. Here's a simple routine you can follow. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes each day in a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Close your eyes and start by taking a few deep breaths to center yourself. Visualize your future success in detail. Picture every aspect of your goal, what it looks like, how it feels, and what your life will be like once you've achieved it. Don't just see the success, feel the emotions that come with it. How will you feel once you've hit that milestone? Let that emotion fill you up. Finally, end with a deep sense of gratitude, as if you've already achieved your goal. This practice will keep you aligned with your vision, serving as a daily reminder of what you're working toward.